name is Will Carpenter and welcome to Magic 26. Today we're going to get on the magic train. Everybody ready to catch the magic train? Well, we're going to turn it into the magic training. And I'm going to say that everybody who's a magician, and that's everybody could use a little training in order to stay on the magic train. So let's check it out. We're going to say this is 3 Reins, and let's say that this is Rein 1, Rein 2, and Rein 3. So we're going to say this is the 3-in-1 Rein, and we're talking about the mental here, the emotional, and the physical components, and all 3 of these things need to be trained simultaneously. That is the trick. And so we can also call this cardinal, fixed, and mutable, and that is the training to keep the magician on the train. And that is magic.